Wait, what'd you do?
I did that one. Dustin did this.
Oh, wow.
I think I might have done this, and it sunk in, and it popped out right here.
Nice.
Can I shoot one?
Yeah.
Certainly, hon.
I don't know. Can you?
I can.
I want to give her this one. There's 2 bullets left in this, hon.
Okay.
It's a 40. I'll film you.
Okay. I don't have anything to...
Come on.
I really wish I had my glasses.
How do I... Is it filming now?
I don't know. Yes, whenever the equals is there.
It is ready to go. Alright, this is Ashley shooting a bowling pin with my 40.
It's not going to come back and hit me, right?
I hope not. You got one more shot, hon.
Is it still ready to go?
Yeah.
Nice!
She got it!
Nice!
You got it!
Thank you.
Oh my God!
I did that?
Yes,
Yes.
you did that. Do you want to see the entrance hole?
Oh my God.
Hold it proud.
I'm proud of my little...
Hold it. I'm filming you, Ashley. Hold it.
Oh, sorry, I was looking at it.
Yay!
This is...
A nice shot.
That was a great shot.
Thank you.
Here, do you want to keep it? We'll get a new bowling pin.
Yeah, I want to keep this.
Here you go, sweetheart.
Is it still? Yes.
This one ain't been
And by the way, I got both of you shooting them down, so just letting you know.
Dustin, snaffle it. You're gonna film us snaffling, right?
Duh.